Bali, nagkakilala kami sa hotel. Front office ako. Tapos siya noon is nagpa-photocopy lang doon ng mga papers niya. Tapos nakita niya ako.
Sun kissed the skyline, colored us golden.
Sabi ko dun sa girl, ate, pwedeng pa-photocopy? Tapos siya yung nag-photocopy sa akin and
Fields full of
nakita ko, ang cute niya.
And then yung isa naming supervisor, kilala din siya. Nagtanong siya kung pwede daw siya mag-apply.
Kuya, may ano po ba, may opening po ba kayo dito ngayon? Kahit wala naman talaga akong plan na mag-apply nun sa doon sa hotel na yon. Kasi sigurado na ako noon na aalis ako for abroad.
Tinanggap siya. Tapos parang dun na din nag-start yung love story namin.
forever grateful. We have all this to live for. We got all this to live for. We got all this to live for.
I'm getting married!
Chill by the companies. The power of thunder, silence and love that's
Milton Jason and Raquel, the reason for which you came here to celebrate the sacrament of marriage is love. In a mysterious way, God brought you together and planted the seed of love in your hearts.
forever grateful.
Pa-photocopy po ako. I can still recall our first conversation. It was just a typical day for me trying to seek a better opportunity overseas, not knowing that it will be the start of our road to forever. The only thing that I'm sure that day when I saw you, it was love at first sight. One time, nakita niya ako na nag-gitara dun sa hotel kasi may nagdala na gitara dun sa hotel. Nung kumanta ko nung ako'y sa'yo, lumingon siya, sabi ko, wala, nakuhuli ko siya.
Thank you. Oh my God. Wow. Wow, long message. Baby, a simple gesture for a very special woman. I thank God for giving me the greatest gift I ever had, you. This is one of the things I love about you. I see the happiness in your eyes, even if you receive the simple things or gifts. You being simple makes you more special. I am not expecting anything from you in return. Your smile is more than I treasure for me. Always smile. Don't lose that I love you, baby. MJ.
Ay, mahal. This is to keep track of all the good times to come. So far, I have enjoyed every minute with you. I will love you every second of every day. See you at 1:30 p.m.
Na ako'y sa'yo at ika'y akin lamang.
Nagpa-photocopy lang sa akin noon. Asawa ko na ngayon. I remember those times when you hated me so much kasi lagi kitang binabara. But now, you have a strong affection for me. Since the day I met you, I had no idea how much my life was about to change. From that day forward, I became a true believer that you do not find true love, but true love finds you. You are the decision that I have no regrets about. And because of you, I dare to love again.
Milton, Jason, and Raquel, your love is so strong and so beautiful that you want to consecrate it before God through the sacrament of marriage.
For the past 7 years we've been together, the day we've been waiting for finally came. With all my heart, I take you as my wife, acknowledging your faults and strength as though as you do mine. I promise to remain faithful and devoted to you, and to always make our family's love and happiness my priority. Wherever part of the world I may be, in this seems to be an ending journey, I will always come home where my heart truly belongs. I will be yours wholeheartedly, in plenty and in want, in sickness and in health. Celebrate and walk beside you through whatever life may bring. Baby, like I promised you 7 years ago, I will be forever in love with you until the end of my days.
When I found you,
Thank you for giving me a reason to love again and to finally receive the love that I deserve the most. Genuine love and happiness. I vow to be the best wife and life partner to you. In you, I found my place, my hope, my peace, and my contentment. I promise to love your family as my own. I promise to never lose our spark, to always do the little things to make you happy. I promise to laugh with you in times of joy and comfort you in times of sorrow and struggle. And I promise my everlasting devotion, faithfulness, respect, and patience.
when I found
Mr. Milton and Mrs. Raquel. Hallelujah! Palawagin natin!
start where I belong. It's only you. It's only you. It's only
In front of the people present today, our friends, our family, and our dear Lord, I want you to know na pipiliin at mamahalin ka